Anastasia, and today we're going on a thrifting adventure. I'm going to be looking for pieces that I can alter and upcycle into something amazing. So join me as we go to Chicago's Village Discount Outlet. One of the things I really love about thrifting is that you can find things from past decades, like this 80s dress. So it doesn't matter if it's not my size because we know how to sew and we can take it in, make it fit, and give it our own personal style. So I'm back in the studio and I had so much fun on my thrifting adventure. Found some really amazing finds out thrifting and I'm so excited to share these with you. The coolest thing about thrifting is you save so much money and you get awesome style. Knowing how to sew lets me take these really outdated silhouettes that are in great fabrics and update them and make them my own style. None of these fit me perfect and I don't necessarily like how any of them look on me as is. So knowing how to sew, I'm gonna show you how to transform these looks and other videos, of course. So if you wanna see any of the alterations videos for these garments, I'm gonna put all the links down below in the description as I make the videos. As of filming this video, I haven't done any of them yet, so make sure you check back because they're gonna be awesome. I'm gonna show you all these really great pieces real quick, and then I'm gonna try them on, and I'm gonna tell you how I plan to alter them and update the style so that we can upcycle these looks. So let's check out what I found real quick. I found this rad 80s bathing suit. I found this stunning 80s beaded dress. I'm in love. I found this vintage Liz Claiborne skirt. I'm in love with the color palette. I found this 80s prom dress. Hello, amazing. I found another awesome 80s dress. Hello, shoulder pads. I found a 70s polyester blazer. This fabric is so thick. And I found this awesome 1960s shift dress. I'm loving the plaid. Now I'm gonna try these on and show you what I'm gonna do with them. First up is this 1980s bathing suit. I am loving the print, but we have got to take up these shoulders because I think someone was 6'5" who wore this or it stretched out over the years. And we're gonna have to take it in because it's pretty big in the waist. So as we take this in, it'll be great, but it has a nice open back to it. So if we take it in and bring up these straps, I think this bathing suit is gonna be a hit at the pool this summer. Next up is this 80s beauty here. I am loving the beadwork on this, but the style is a little outdated. So we're going to get rid of the shoulder pads. I'm thinking maybe I'm even gonna make the sleeve shorter so we have some longer arm here. And I'm short, so I always like everything shorter. So I would like to take this hemline and bring it up a little bit. And it's really big in the waist, it's all loosey-goosey, so we are gonna have to tailor this. And tailoring beads is hard, so this is gonna be a great tutorial when we get to it. And the back on this is really nice and open, but look how much space we have in here. So we are really gonna have to take this baby in. I love this dress and I cannot wait to work on it and upcycle it into a new beauty. I found another 1980s dress. Molly Ringwald would have been very jealous of this one. It has got amazing sleeve details with these bows. These are so cute. These are for sure staying. I'm loving the statement sleeve here. I'm actually really liking everything from the waist up on this dress. It's just the waist down that we need to fix. And I'm thinking what would be really cool, since I like the top of this dress, is to take it and just make it high-low. Let's make it short in the front so we can show off some leg, and then keep it long in the back because we've got great lines going on the bodice of this dress. It's so old, it's new again. There is a one word that comes to mind when I put this dress on, and it is marmy. Ugh, right? Not cool. But this dress has so much potential. First off, we're gonna leave these cool shoulders because I think they're strong and sexy. You know, it's not sexy, but this giant white piece right here. Do you know what we're gonna do? We're literally just gonna get rid of it. We're gonna take it and tuck it in right now. And how much more sexier does that get? Much. It's got cool pockets. I'm digging the pockets. And It's really awful length, so I think we need to shorten this and make it cool. Show off those legs. You got them? So let's go from Marmy to Sexy Marmy. Hello, Mary Quant. How cute in 60s is this shift? I'm loving it. Really simple fix. We just need to tailor this up. It's just way too big here. Look at all this extra room we have. So if we go ahead and tailor that up a little bit, hem it a little bit, we're gonna be golden. Hello, 1972. Check out this rad lapel on this jacket. I am loving it. I'm also loving the buttons on this jacket. The buttons are super cool. What I don't love is the fit. The arms have a lot of room in them. I can definitely tailor this up. I can definitely tailor up the body of this jacket as well. We've got a lot of extra room in here, and I like my things fitted and tailored. So we are gonna tailor up this blazer and make it awesome. You know what's really cool about upcycling sometimes and thrifting? Sometimes you don't actually need to upcycle, and you find something that you love just the way it is. Now that is what I call an extra bonus. And this skirt, I'm loving it just how it is. I love the length of it. I love the colors of it. I love the fitted waist in it. I love the vertical lines with the horizontal lines in the skirt. I really kind of love everything about it. So I'm gonna keep this one just as is. Bonus. So what'd you guys think of my thrifted finds? Let me know down below what you think of them. And if you found something similar to it when you were thrifting, I'd love to know what you did with it and how you upcycled it. Send me photos, leave a comment below, and I definitely want to check it out. Are you loving this awesome t-shirt I'm wearing? You can totally have one. I just started a t-shirt of the month club on Patreon. There's also a tote bag of the month club and a vintage pattern of the month. So check it out. There's also more options over there. All of your support means so much to me, and it keeps me doing this. This is a very personal experience for me because I'm making all of these embroidered t-shirts. I'm making all of the tote bags you're gonna be getting. I'm putting together all of these packages personally. So it means a lot to me if you can hop on over to Patreon and support Sew Anastasia. Make sure you check out my upcycled playlist so you can see how all of these garments turn out. Thanks so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. I hope you had fun on my thrifted haul adventure. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at Sew Anastasia and Anastasia Chatzka. And if you're in Chicago, make sure you come take a sewing class with me or check out my summer sewing camp. And if you're not into sewing, it's cool. I'd love to make you a custom garment from scratch. And if you loved this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button so you can check out all my other videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!